8 parts of speech, which are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So, this part of speech can help you to improve and make your sentence grammatically correct. So, noun. A noun describes a person, place, thing, idea, or concept. For example, teacher, beach, phone, happiness. The teacher explained the lesson clearly to the student. So the noun in a sentence is teacher. Anna bought a shirt at the store. So the noun in a sentence is shirt. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. John went to the store, but he forgot his wallet. The pronoun in the sentence is he. She is going to the store. The pronoun in the sentence is she. Verb. A verb describes the action, state, or occurrence of the subject in a sentence. For example, run, eat, write, jump, and sing. She runs every morning, so the verb in the sentence is runs. He writes letters to his friends, so the verb in the sentence is write. Adjective. Adjective used to describe or modify noun. For example, size, color, and shape. She wore a red dress, so the adjective in a sentence is red. This book is bigger than that one, so the adjective in the sentence is bigger. Adverb. Adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, how, when, where. She runs quickly, so the adverb in a sentence is quickly because it is indicated as how. I will arrive soon, so the adverb in the sentence is soon because soon is indicated by when. Preposition. A preposition shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word. For example, time, place, or direction. The cat is under the table. So the preposition in the sentence is under because under is indicated by a place. We will meet at noon. So the preposition in the sentence is at because at indicate as a time. Conjunction. Conjunction used to connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. For example, and, so, but, although. I like coffee and tea, so the conjunction in the sentence is and. He didn't study, so he failed the test. So the conjunction in a sentence is so. Interjection. Interjection used to express a strong emotion or reaction. For example, wow. Oh. Wow, that's amazing. The interjection in a sentence is wow. Oh no, I forgot my keys. So the interjection in a sentence is oh no. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.